Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum to everyone. I hope you all are fine. Today is Tuesday and the date is December 15, 2020. This is your mathematics class and I'm your maths teacher, Miss Amara. As you all know that nowadays we are doing the metric system and our today's lesson is based on multiplication of decimals in the metric system. In the last lesson, we had learned that how we can add and subtract the decimals in the metric system, and today we shall learn that how we can multiply the decimals in the metric system. So, let us learn about the steps that we use for multiplication of decimals. So, how to multiply decimals? Multiply normally, ignoring the decimal points. Then put the decimal point in the answer. It will have as many decimal places as the two original numbers combined. In other words, just count up how many numbers are after the decimal point in both numbers. You are multiplying, then the answer should have that many numbers after its decimal point. It means we have to multiply the numbers as we do for the simple multiplication. And in the answer, we have to put the decimal point after counting up all the digits that are present in the original numbers after the decimal point. So now, let us learn through this example. We have to multiply 0.03 by 1.1. So according to the first step, we have to multiply these two numbers. We have to multiply them without decimal point. Okay, so in the first number we have 0.03 and 1.1. So if we take the first number without decimal point, it is 3, and the second number it is 11, and 11 multiplied by 3 will be 33. Now we have to look at the decimal point. So we should count the digits in both the numbers. We can see that 0.03 has two decimal places and 1.1 has one decimal place. So it means in the answer there must be three decimal places. So the answer will be 0.033 because after multiplication we got 33. It has only two places, but we have to put the decimal point before three places. So we should add 10. We have to remember that answer should have the same number of decimal places and in both the numbers you are multiplying. Let us learn through more examples that how we can multiply the decimal numbers. So here is the example 45 multiplied by 2.5. 45 is called the whole number and 2.5 is called the decimal number. And according to the steps, we have to multiply without the decimal point. So we have to consider 2.5 as 25. So when we multiply 45 by 25, our answer is 1125. Now we can see in the question we have only one place after the decimal point. So in the answer there must be one place after the decimal point. So it means we should put the decimal point after 2 and before 5. And our answer will be 112.5. Now open your notebooks and books. Write down the topic, the metric system, and page number 117. We have to do question number 16. It has 4 parts. And now I hope you understood that how we can multiply and you can do all the questions. Remember, when we are multiplying the decimal numbers by the whole numbers, we have to consider the decimal number as the whole number and we have to multiply as the simple multiplication. So I hope you will enjoy doing these questions. In the end, I want to share a beautiful saying with you. Good mathematics is not about how many answers you know, it's how you behave when you don't know. So think about it. Thank you to all of you. Take care and Allah Hafiz.